In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand new texture document in Photoshop. This easy and creative process will guide you through some essential functions of Photoshop, allowing you to generate a versatile texture that you can use for a variety of projects. Let's delve into the creative world of Photoshop and craft something unique. First, let's start by creating a new document. Open up your Photoshop and head over to File, then select New. We'll be working with a square canvas today, so set the dimensions to 1000 by 1000 pixels. Keep the color mode in RGB as it offers a broad spectrum of colors suitable for digital work. Once you've got that set up, hit Create or OK, and you'll have a fresh canvas ready. Next, let's give this blank canvas some life by filling the background with a mid-tone gray. This step is crucial as it provides a neutral foundation for your texture, making it versatile for various applications. To do this, click on Edit in the top menu, then navigate down to Fill. From the drop-down menu, select Gray and hit OK. Now your canvas should be a solid mid-tone gray. With our gray background in place, the next thing to do is to add some texture. We'll do this by using the Noise filter. Go to the Filter menu, choose Noise, and then Add Noise. You'll see a dialog box pop up where you can set the amount of noise to add. Here, it's all about experimenting with a suitable amount that creates an interesting texture without overwhelming the image. Generally, a moderate setting works well. This noise adds subtle complexity to the gray, making the background less uniform and more organic. Moving on, we're going to enhance the texture by applying an Emboss filter, which will give your image some depth. Head back to the Filter menu, navigate to Stylize, and select Emboss. In the Emboss settings, you have the option to adjust the angle, height, and amount. These will determine how pronounced and three-dimensional your texture appears. A gentle touch is key here to maintain a balance between subtlety and strength. For those wanting to take it further, Photoshop provides a myriad of additional filters, such as blur or distort. These can further refine and customize your design, so feel free to explore these options and see what works best for your vision. Once you're satisfied with your creation, consider adjusting the layer's blend mode. Setting it to overlay or soft light can produce different interactions with colors underneath, so give these a try to see how they transform the texture. Finally, save your creation. Go to File, then Save As, and choose either PNG or PSD format. Saving it as a PNG preserves the texture as a standalone image, while a PSD allows for future edits. Naming it something that relates to its use can help keep your asset library organized. And there you have it. With these steps, you've crafted a reusable texture asset. Enjoy experimenting and incorporating your new design into all your future projects. Happy creating!